welcome to Self-Care Sunday. Okay, so today we are talking about Yoni intimate pearls, Yoni detox pearls. And baby, let me tell you, I was so nervous, and the stuff that came out of me. Get into all the details. Let's watch this clip on how I prepared and inserted the Yoni detox pearls. Okay, so now I've prepared the pearls. Now I'm going to insert them. I'm not gonna lie, I am freaking out. I'm freaking out. I don't know why we don't trust anything that isn't approved by the doctor. We just think that, oh my god, it's so bad. But they've been doing this for ages, so there we go. Hands are clean. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Yoni spray first. I'm gonna use the spray first as a lubricant because I am scared. I am scared. Okay, I'm gonna use the spray. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Don't touch your face! Okay. Oh. Okay, so the pearls have been inserted. I feel a little uncomfortable. Maybe I didn't put it up all the way because I didn't have an applicator. But yeah, I have my leg up. I still have my leg up, but it's not bad. Let me try sit. Let me try jump because I need to work out tomorrow. Okay. Not bad. So now I'm just going to do my skincare and go to bed. Wish me luck. Okay, so a disclaimer, I'm not a professional, I'm not a doctor. This is just my personal experience and my review on using these detox pearls. These are called intimate pearls from Yoni Intimate Steaming. I'll put down a handle again. Okay, so I know a lot of people are skeptical on using these intimate pearls because many gynecologists don't really recommend holistic treatments. But if you've tried every single medicine to get rid of a problem, then I would give these a try. So what are Yoni Intimates? So Yoni pearls are like a herbal tampon used for general cleaning of the female reproductive organ. It will regulate your menstrual cycle, clear up blockages, increase fertility, remove toxins from the womb. It will also eliminate vaginal itching, and it will also make your yoni nice and tight. So I did one cleanse. So it comes in a nicely packaged like this. So all the Yoni pearls are wrapped up in. My older sister also did a cleanse, but instead of inserting 3 pearls, she only inserted 2, because when I bought the pearls, I wanted to buy the applicator, but it was out of stock, so she was scared. She didn't think she would manage to insert 3. I inserted 3, and I left them in there for 3 days. So let me just put up a clip, and so my sister can tell you her experience. Okay, so you go first. Tell us about your experience. All right. So basically, I used the pearls because I had a cyst a while back, years back, and I had them removed surgically. So I wanted to try out the pearls just to see if what's going to come out, or am I going to experience any more problems or pain, or I just basically wanted to see what was going to come out of it. And this is what came out of Spume's Yoni. I'll put the clip up there. So this looks like the same material as a cyst. Yeah, because the doctor showed you the liquid. It's basically like a jelly type of liquid, very clear liquid, and he indicated that that is a cyst. So the pearls actually, you think they? I think it does resemble a cyst. Yeah. Do you experience any side effects? Not really. Besides, no, not really. I was expecting like cramps and stuff like that. You didn't have cramps? I didn't have any cramps. I didn't have cramps. So we were able to work out. Yeah. Basically, I didn't feel anything. I was just kind of forgot they were in there. Yeah, exactly. Because I had them in there for 3 days, so I was like anticipating what was going to come out, and I was excited basically. So yeah. So I know a lot of people say you get like a yeast infection after detoxing your yoni, so we did not experience any of that. No itching, no discomfort. For me, when I inserted the pearls, I was really nervous. I was scared. I didn't have an applicator, like I said, so I thought it would be difficult to insert the pearls, but it wasn't. I just tied up a string, like I did in the video, which I'll show you again, and then I inserted the pearls one by one. And I was worried because I thought maybe they didn't go all the way up, because they need to go all the way up in order to get that deep cleanse. And again, it's in order to remove something like chronic yeast infections or BV, you have to do more than one cleanse. I only did one cleanse just because, for experimental purposes, and I was curious to see what's actually going on up there. So yeah, once I removed the pearls, it was actually easy to remove them. The string was hanging, so I could see the string. I pulled it out. It wasn't really sore. Took a bath. Nothing really happened. So when I first took out the pearls, this is what came out. I'll put the clip up here. So as you can see, there's not much going on. I actually thought, okay, maybe because I didn't have any symptoms of like anything that's on the list, maybe that's why. But let me tell you, the next day, after taking a shower, I felt something in there. I was like, oh, what's going on? And I wiped, and this bad boy came out. It's like a rubber texture. I touched it, yeah. It was like a rubbery. It was not really hard, but it was kind of hard. So I was so shook about that. But other than that, I did not have any weird side effects. I did not get a yeast infection after, because I read a lot of other people's reviews and they were complaining about dryness and yeast infections, and I was scared. But I didn't have any of that. I think it's because I used the spray, the Yoni Intimate spray, and we just highly recommend that you use that spray. Maybe that's why I didn't have any itchiness, any discomforts after I removed the pearls. And yeah, I didn't have that much purging. Day 3, this is what came out. Day 4, this bad boy came out, and then the rest of the days nothing came out, and I felt fine. So, and my sister, she didn't have any purging. Once she removed the pearls, this is what came out, and that was it. So yeah, this is my experience. I highly recommend that you try, especially if you've tried every medicine out there, or if you've been trying to conceive for years. Give this a try. I know it may be scary because we want things that are proven, scientifically proven, and now at my age, I realize that holistic medicine is actually the way to go. Using natural ingredients, natural products have actually worked for me, which now I love and appreciate. So if you have any other questions, please do not be afraid to WhatsApp Yoni Intimate Steaming, DM her, and also, because I don't have all the answers, this is just what I experienced and what my sister experienced. So yeah, Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next episode. Stay home and stay safe. On the next episode of Self-Care Sunday,
let's get rid of those ashy elbows, ladies. See you on the next episode.